Now there's two ways to calculate that 12-month rolling total. The easiest way is that rolling total is always a 12-month figure. For example, if you're going to calculate March of 08, what the 12-month rolling total is, you start with your monthly purchase for March, and then you backtrack until you got 12 months, and you add those, and that's what your 12-month rolling total is. In calculating your 12-month rolling total, I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go with 06, and here's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 107, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here you got your date, and here I'm going to write down what you purchased for the month, and then over here I'm going to do the 12-month rolling total. Let's just say in January of 06 you purchased 15 gallons. In February you purchased 30, 10, 0, 10, 15, 20, 0, 0, 10, 20, 15, 10, 15, 20, 10, 10, 0. Alright, wherever you started your record keeping, which if you've been in business since prior to December of 1993, that's when it started, was December of 1993. But for explanation purposes, I'm starting this January of 06. So the rolling total over here is 15, 45, 55, 55, 65, 80, 100, 100, 100, 110, 130, 145. So what this is so far is just a cumulative total, adding one to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, to the next one for the first 12 months. And the first 12 months I come up with this example with 145. Now, on January of 07, if you want to determine what the 12-month rolling total is, and this is a 12-month purchase right here, you want to find out what you purchased for January, which is the first month, and if you count back 12 months, for the next month, you would add the 12 figures and get your rolling total. 12 figures and get your rolling total. That's the best way to do it, because if you make an error on one of them, that error is not going to be carried through to the next month. After I've determined that the 12-month rolling total is calculated properly, and during that process, if it's not calculated properly, I actually calculate it and show the owner-operator how to do it properly. And then in my report, I can show those as violations for not calculating properly, but I also note that they were corrected during the inspection. So from that point forward, you should be able to do it correctly on your own.